Alright, welcome to today's video. This is a new video, it's about something new. What's up guys, Anubhav here. Welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. In today's video, we're talking about those babies back there. I don't know if you can see them. Let me just remove my head a bit. Wait, wrong direction. Okay, and let me just hook the app up. I keep getting questions, a lot of questions for this particular light, and I thought, you know what, let's talk about this light in a video, talk about where you can get it, how I set it up, what it basically is and how it works, and yeah, we're doing just that today. With that said, let's switch it on. Alright, look at that, beautiful. So this is the new Nanoleaf shapes lineup. This is a light or a series of lights that you can put together, create any design you want and control all of it from your phone using the Nanoleaf app. And honestly, I feel like this is one of the best, ambience setters that you can buy for your room, provided you have a nice place to place it. Now in my instance, I got this entire wall painted matte black because of the aesthetic, and then putting these lights on this just makes it look absolutely beautiful. And we'll dive a little deep into how this works, how you can set it up, where you can buy it, and I'll also show you guys how the app works and everything. So in case you guys are interested about this, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to be doing this in a vlog sort of a format because I feel like a real world experience is much more enjoyable and also informative for all of you guys who want to buy this for yourselves. So the way this works is that there are different types of panels and different shapes of panels. Now earlier the shapes lineup had only these big triangles, but now Nanoleaf has expanded on their product lineup and these are also slimmer and much better. So the first one, as you guys can see, is the normal triangle. The second one is this hexagon shape, and the third one are these really cute mini triangles that I absolutely love. So the way it works is you can either buy the starter kit which has the triangles, you can also buy a hexagon kit and a mini triangles kit and connect them all together. Now all these panels can connect to all the different shapes and you can create any design you want. The Nanoleaf app also has a built-in layout creator where you can randomize different designs and select a new layout, or you can just sketch it up and think of something cool. Now I needed something to basically complement the setup and something that I could put on top of the monitor. So this really looks well in my opinion, but then again you can decide what you want to do with it. Now earlier the old Nanoleaf one had a little add-on called the Nanoleaf Rhythm, the one where it reacts to the sound, and you have to purchase that separately. But now this feature is inbuilt into the control panel that you guys can see over here. So this is the control panel. You've got the power button, the brightness increase and reduction button, a randomize button that switches it to a completely different layout. Now it's all pink and it looks really good. Then you've got another button for the rhythm playback. So if you want music styles and everything, you can do that. And clicking on this also changes up different buttons, and you can basically select any mode that you want. Honestly, that's all that there is to the Nanoleaf shapes lineup, and I feel like if you want something where people come into a room and they ask questions about, wow, what is that on top of your setup, and if you have a really nice wall to complement it along with a desk setup that matches the entire vibe, I feel like this is a great place to start designing your very own home studio, and they look absolutely badass on video. So if you're a YouTube creator or anyone who does photo or video, having these, considering you have the budget for it, is a must have in my opinion. Alright, now the way the app works is also pretty simple. All you have to do is go to the link in the description, download the application either from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you open the app, this is the sort of UI that you're going to get, and over here you can see all the different Nanoleaf light or Nanoleaf products that you own. Once you've paired the light, and you don't have to worry about it, the entire process is pretty simple. All you have to do is click on the light setup, and from here you can either create new scenes, which means you can select the colors that you want the light to operate at, or you can select from pre-built scenes. Now you'll notice that the pre-built scenes have a lot of options. So what is hip hop and what is jungle? So obviously some of the names come from the colors, so jungle has a more green vibe to it, but if you notice there is a music icon next to hip hop, and that basically means the Nanoleaf light in this mode is going to react to any music and beat you keep on it. So for example, just for example, let's select hip hop over here, and as you can see the lights are not working, but now they are working while I'm talking. So if I stay quiet for a second, there's no sound. But as soon as I start speaking, the light panels detect that there is sound being played back, and it basically does that, reacts to the live sound. So you can play an instrument, you can start playing some music, or you can just talk and have a light that reacts. It's really, really cool. The app also makes it pretty simple to configure the brightness as well as the different modes that you can cycle through. And all in all, I just feel like it's a great application. Also, another cool feature that I totally forgot to highlight is the fact that these panels are now touch sensitive. So you can basically click on any panel and you can see that it reacts and it starts pulsating. In certain modes, it's also going to send a wave of pulsating beats to the other end of the panel. And honestly, this is just really, really cool. I genuinely love the new additions that they have made to a product which originally was already very, very great. So yeah, definitely check it out. The links to this will be in the description below. Alright guys, that was it. That was the video. That was me talking about my cool lights, and yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy it. Full disclosure, Dan Olive did send this out to me for me to check out and review, and yeah, but that is where the full disclosure ends. No money was exchanged, no hands were shaked. So whatever I've said, if it's good stuff about them, it's because their products are actually super high quality and they really deliver on what they want to give you, which is a really premium and nice aesthetic experience with their lights. If you guys do like them, I'll drop the links below. You can buy them for yourself, check them out. And with that said, this is Anubhav signing out. I'll catch you guys next time. You guys have a great day. Stay safe. Peace out. This is very cool. This is very cool. I might be a nerd and I might be a weirdo who likes colorful lights with different colors changing, but this right here is super cool.